Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error 0xc0000098. So, how you can fix it? First you need just to close your computer, so just restart it, go to start, choose power and choose restart and press shift. So when you press it you will get into restoration menu. And also you can, if you can't open Windows and from this Windows choose restoration menu, you can also choose get your installation disk with Windows or USB flash if your installation is on USB, and just run from restoration from this installation of Windows. So choose troubleshoot, choose advanced options. So also you can try by startup repair. It will automatically fix all your problems, check for corrupting files, for missing files, and also you can try it. It will automatically try to restart your computer, repair your computer. And second variant, you can also go to command prompt and do it manually. So here you choose your user, and now you just need to enter your password. So check if your keyboard layer is correct, because it depends on correcting your password. So here you can see, I forget to say about that you must choose a user with administrator rights. So first command you need to write is check dsk /f /r and C column, and just run. So now you just need to wait some time after it will check your disk, system disk for corrupting files, and fix it. Second command you need to write it's boot rec fix boot, and third command you need to write it's boot rec fix mbr, and latest command you need to write it's boot rec rebuild bcd, and just click enter. So now you just need to wait some time after it will rebuild your bcd, so just wait some time. So latest you need to write exit and just click continue, so your system will restart and open without any errors. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.